Do you want to know how you can log into your Quickvid AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Quickvid AI account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar and search for Quickvid AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Quickvid. Go ahead and click Get Started and you can see this login portal. You can either log in with Google or you can go ahead and write down your email address in this box and click Continue. After that, click Password and then you can see password as well. So you can just click on this option which is over here, go to Get Started and click on email, write down your email, press continue, write down your password and then click sign in, or else just click login with email/password and this will open up. Write your email password here, click login and then you can successfully log into your Quickvid AI account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click sign up and you can create a Quickvid account for yourself. Now if you want to log in using your Google, go ahead and click continue with Google. In a while this page will pop up. Go ahead and select your Gmail account, click continue to sign in to Quickvid AI and then in a while you can notice that you will be logged in to your Quickvid AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.